Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one more Kashmiri youth in the Doda district. The youth was martyred by the Indian troops and the paramilitary personnel in the garb of cordon and search operation in the Bajad Gando area of the district. All parties Hurriyat Conference has lambasted India for its violent and colonial behavior, saying the country is not a democratic but a colonial state. On the International Day in support of the victims of the violence, Hurriyat leaders gathered in Srinagar to condemn the India's atrocities in the occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the International Day on the support of the victims of torture today revealed that the Indian troops during the unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 96,317 Kashmiris, including 7,341 in custody and fake encounters since January 1989 till date. Indian troops continued to carry out the search operation across occupied Kashmir, including the Jammu region. The troops particularly launched a search operation in Gando area in the Doda on Wednesday. A top police officer told the media men that a joint team of the Indian Army and other forces personnel were part of the search operation. Authorities in occupied Kashmir have begun revising the voter list, a move the opposition parties claim is aimed at giving leverage to a particular community ahead of the upcoming assembly elections. The revision process, which started on the June 25th and will continue till July 24, allegedly targets accommodating the voters from outside the occupied territory to favor the ruling BJP. An Indian Army Subedar Anil Raghav died of what is officially acclaimed as a heart attack in the Poonch district. Subedar Anil Raghav died at the Indian Army's camp in Sagra, Mankot area of the district.